Maintaining a healthy long-term relationship requires consistent effort, starting with genuine honesty and open communication. It is crucial to be transparent with your partner, gently voicing concerns, expressing your needs, and communicating when external factors affect your mood, while also actively giving them your undivided attention and seeking their input on how you can be a better partner. Fidelity is foundational, as cheating severely damages trust, and any feelings of temptation warrant an honest reevaluation of the relationship's readiness for monogamy. Show your appreciation and care through regular compliments, genuine romantic gestures, and expressing how wonderful you think they are, but always maintain a healthy balance to avoid being controlling or compromising your own happiness. Lastly, be vigilant for signs of distress in the relationship, like increased fighting or distance, and commit to discussing these problems honestly to ultimately reach a constructive and mutually satisfying compromise.